What happened today before my lords is that there were 7 count charges being brought against the accused persons, the 5 accused persons. However, we are representing the 3rd accused person, Kpasa. And the charge was read to every one of them, most especially our client for the 3rd defendant, pleaded not guilty to all the 7 count charges, though he's involved in just 3 count charges. And we intimated the court that we have filed a bail application to get his liberty because he has been in incarceration since the 5th of January 2021 and he has not been arraigned, not for today. And the court was magnanimous to give us a very convenient date, which is the 2nd of February for the bail application and all other applications that will come in to be had on that day. The prosecution, however, was seeking for a longer date, but the court was able to look at his docket, his diary, and found that, yes, the most convenient date would be the 2nd, to see how we can argue the liberty of all the accused persons. And we are most especially concerned about the 3rd accused persons, which is our client. And we believe on that day when we get back, the matter will be heard. At this stage, it's just plea taking that was heard. And in view of the fact that the matter was just heard this morning for plea of the accused persons, there was no way the court would have proceeded further to hear the bail application because we, for the 1st, 2nd, and also we, for the 3rd defendant, filed our bail application this morning. We were served in court with the charge this morning, the 7 count charge this morning, and we proceeded further to file our bail application. So we believe on that day, when we come back on the 2nd, the court will hear the application. Then we'll proceed further into the substantive matter that dwells on the 7 count charge before the court.
Well, what we did is we were able to file the proper charges before the court, and we have arraigned the defendant. So, and the court graciously heard us and acceded to all our applications. We apply for date to be given upon arraignment in order to produce our witnesses to prove our case with all the diligence that it may require. And the matter has now been adjourned to the 2nd day of February for the substantive hearing, as well as bail application in respect of the defendants that pleaded not guilty to all the charges leveled against them. That's what we did.
So how many witnesses are you likely to call to establish the case of the prosecution?
No, the law is after quality, not quantity of witnesses. Depends on the testimony of the witnesses that we can feel so far. If we feel at least 3, 4, 5 witnesses, we say, okay, we need not to go further to bring in a total number of witnesses that will at least come and testify. All we need is quality. So long as the evidence is qualitative, we can close our case so long as it can sustain conviction. That's what we're doing.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Okay, CSP Garba Audu. Chief Superintendent of Police.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.